Today, I'll walk you through creating a scrolling timeline year animation in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, open Premiere Pro and create a new project. Then, navigate to the Create menu, right-click, choose New Item and select Black Video. Copy my settings and hit OK. Drag the black video to your timeline. Next, press T or select the Type tool to add the years you want to animate. Go to the Effect Controls panel, change the font to your preference and increase the scale. Now, head to the Effects panel and add Gaussian blur to the text. After adding Gaussian blur, set keyframes for blurriness at the beginning and end of the text. In the middle, set the blurriness to 200 and change the dimension to horizontal. Now, set keyframes for the text motion. Make sure your playhead is at the start of the clip and click on this stopwatch icon. Then move to the last blurriness keyframe and change the text position. To smooth out the effects, right-click the first keyframe and select Ease Out. Then, right-click the last keyframe and select Ease In. Now, let's add a square mask to refine the animation. Navigate to Opacity and click this square icon. Now add a mask around the text. Now, you can adjust the feather, mask expansion, and other settings until you're satisfied with the look. Once you're happy with the animation, it's time to export the video. You can do this by going to File, then Export, and then Media, and selecting your desired export settings. And there you have it. You've created a scrolling timeline year animation in Premiere Pro. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy editing.